Welcome back to Chapter 1 of the course on seed technology, objectives, goals, and all about high quality seed. Map your journey with insights of seed technology. Let's recall the definition of seed studied in our lower classes. Seed is a fertilized mature ovule covered by protective coat germinating in favorable conditions. Seeds are present in gymnosperms as naked seeds and angiosperms or flowering plant with a protective covering called the fruit. It's a very important propagating material and carrier of genes forming a link between plant generations. So let's see the definition of seed technology. So this seed technology is a recent subject and it is an interdisciplinary science involving seed production, seed processing, seed health testing, seed quality and preservation, certification and seed marketing. Seed technology is an interdisciplinary science linked with other branches of science, for instance, agronomy, taxonomy, seed pathology, plant pathology, horticulture, agricultural economics, and so on. Now that you know seed is a matured ovule, but in seed technology, any propagating material like seed, fruit, rhizome, corm, etc., can be considered as a seed. The main difference of seed and grain is that seed is a sowing material and grain is used for the purpose of consumption. Now let us have a look at scientifically produced seed and grains used as seeds. If you look at the scientifically produced seeds, the purity and quality, germination capacity is ensured. But in case of grain used as seed, the quality is not known. In scientifically produced seed, seed processing, labeling is done, and the seeds cannot be used for consumption unless advised by the seed inspectors. But in case of grain, they can be used for sowing, but quality standards are not followed. Under scientifically produced seed, one must know that what exactly is this high quality seed. A high quality seed is a seed with good germination capacity and high seed vigor. Then the seed should be devoid of insect damage, infestation of any microbes like bacteria and fungi. The seed should have uniformity in size and appearance with physical and genetic purity, safe moisture content, and also should follow the seed health standards. For physical purity of seed, the seed should be of uniform size and shape without any damage with negligible inert matter, chaffy seeds or low density seeds, dust, stones, broken seeds, and also the other seeds. In genetic purity of good quality seed, the traditional and good quality inherent characters of the seed should be maintained from generation to generation, and that is referred as genetic purity. So the progeny will be exactly to that of the mother plant. Moisture content plays an important role. The seeds should have safe moisture content around 9 to 13% in stored condition. Suppose it is more than 30%, the seeds may undergo germination. If it exceeds more than 18%, the seeds may undergo respiration and also self-heating takes place. And in case of oily seeds, there may be chances of rancidity. So more than 13% in some of the seeds, they may also attract the microbial growth. So in order to measure this moisture content, there is a digital moisture meter known as OSAU moisture meter available. So on the whole, a high quality seed should be highly pure with genetic purity as well as physical purity, highly viable, that means it is living, then with high germinating ability, highly vigorous, safe moisture content. It should also be approved by the seed inspectors and certified. Then the economic crop value should be at a reasonable price. Let's have a look at traditional seed production and scientific seed production. Scientifically produced seeds have a centrally planned system with quality control seeds, truthfully labeled seeds, which are homogeneous in nature. Whereas in traditional seed production, it is locally planned, traditional system of seed processing, and there is use of truthfully labeled and other unlabeled seeds. In case of scientifically produced seeds, seed production is done by national government agencies, state government agencies, government assisted cooperative, and large quantities of seeds are marketed through government owned companies, private and state universities. Whereas in traditional seed production, small quantity of seeds are marketed through community level and it is highly localized. The main objective of seed technology is to produce quality seeds and upgrade the quality. Then there is scope for research. To strengthen the seed technology research in seed production and seed health testing is also the second main objective. Coming to goals, the first thing is rapid multiplication of quality seeds in order to increase the agricultural production. Then timely supply to farmers is very much essential. High quality and new varieties availability in time is the main priority. High quality seeds with high vigor and reasonable price is one of the main factor. Thank you and look forward to the next running of the course.